Hi guys, in this video I'm not going to explain you about ESBI. I believe you already know what is E, what is S, what is B and what is I. If you don't know, please refer to the description below and there's another video which explains you about what is E, what is S, what is B and what is I. Okay? So E stands for employment, S stands for small business or maybe self-employment, and B stands for big business and I stands for investors. So if I focus on the people in this world, the whole population in this world, 95% of these people are in this side and 5% of the people are in this side. And if I tell you why a lot of people are here, if I ask you that question, why a lot of people are here? Why these 95% of the people can't move from left to right? Why? What is that one thing which is required for somebody average, somebody which is really average, who is in this 95%, go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home, go to work, come back home and die, right? Who is average? Or somebody who opens a shop in the morning, close it at night, morning to night, working all day from morning to night, right? Somebody who is in this E and S side, why can't they move from left to right? Why? And what is that one thing which is required for somebody average to move from left to right? What is that one thing? And if you know the answer, pause this video for a while and comment in the comment section below before you continue watching this video, right? And if you took it right, I believe you have what is required to stay in this side of 5% of the people in this world. So I'm going to tell what is it. That is nothing but a positive mindset. Not just a positive mindset, a business mindset. There's a specific mindset which is required for you to have to move from left to right. It is nothing other than the mindset. You might be thinking, oh no, it's not the mindset. I need money to move from left to right, to start a business, or is to become an investor. No. There are a lot of sportsmen who win Olympics and make a lot of money. And after a few years, what is going to happen to them? They are going to lose all their money and they are going to stay in this side for rest of their life. They might be Olympic medalists, but no point. They made a lot of money and once they retire, what is going to happen? Nothing. They again come back to this side. Why? Because they don't have that mindset of the people in this side. Network marketing is a business. If you don't think it's a business, please Google it. It is a business. It is one of the greatest business models in this planet, which can give you a passive income. Okay? So you signing up with a network marketing company does not mean anything. It doesn't mean anything. You are just buying a product or a service from a company. And what are you? You are just a customer. Yeah, you are a customer. You're buying a product from a network marketing company means you are becoming a customer. That's it. So you signing up with a network marketing company does not mean you are in this side. It does not mean anything. You can still buy a lot of products from a network marketing company or maybe a lot of services from a network marketing company, or you spend a lot of money and you can still live in this side for the rest of your life. So it's not the company which is going to take you from left to right. It is you having that right mindset to move from left to right. And if you build a team, if you are capable of building a team, a group of distributors, and together with that group of distributors, if you are able to sell a lot of products and services to a lot of consumers, or maybe building a bigger and bigger team, and through that team, if you can sell a lot of products and services for that network marketing company, then you can move from left to right. So during this process from moving from left to right, I mean building a team, you are going to face a lot of challenges. And how you respond to those challenges, how you react to each challenge, and how you are going to solve all those challenges, that determines how strong is your mindset. If you have the right mindset, if you have a good mindset, if you stay positive for the next maybe 5 years, right? It's a 5-year journey from moving from left to right. It takes at least 5 years for some average person to move from left to right. So during this time, if you keep your mindset right, if you think positive, really positive, okay, and if you think big, really big, in terms of millions, you understand? Huge numbers, right? And if you think different, not like these 95% of the people, little different than them, and if you think outside the box, then you have huge chances of moving from left to right and eventually build a huge team, thousands of people, okay, and move from left to right. Do you know the definition of this quadrant? Do you know the definition? For you to become a big business owner, you have to have a minimum of 500 plus people working for you. So once you build a team of at least 500 distributors, not just distributors who are buying products, active distributors who are working day in, day out. Okay? If you build such a team, what is going to happen? You are of course moving from left to right. You are in this quadrant. Right? You have a lot of people working for you. What do you have really? You have their time. Let's say each of these person, okay, spending 2 hours a day. How many hours you have for yourself? How many hours? 500 into 2, 1000 hours. As long as you are here, even in this category or this category, you have just 24 hours. But once you move here, you have 1000 hours a day. So that is the difference between E and S and this side where you can become a business owner. So guys, it's not the money you spend on a network marketing company. It's not just how passionate you are to become a networker. Okay, it's the mindset. So somebody having huge muscles, somebody having, a lot of communication skills, or maybe somebody who can do public speaking really well, those people can still fail in network marketing. It's not your skills. Skills are also there, okay? But a huge percentage goes to your mindset. If your mindset is right, you will adapt, you will adjust, and you will accommodate, right? You will get the skills, you will get all the knowledge because mindset is right? If all the skills are there, all the knowledge is there, but no mindset, nothing is going to work, right? So guys, from the first day in this business, in network marketing, focus on building your mindset. Make it with a strong foundation. Make sure it is going to be solid and very strong. Nobody ever can break your mindset. Have that strong mindset. If you have it, I guarantee you, you will move from left to right in at least 3 or maybe maximum 5 years. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, what you have to do, press on the subscribe button and see you again with a new video. Love you guys. Davi.